This is what I'm looking at. On ES, we're in a 4 hour gap to the downside. You can obviously see this long wick candle. Looks like we're rejecting it pretty hard. Then you go to NQ, also within a 4 hour gap. Not as much weakness here, so I'm kind of just gonna wait till market open to see what we do. You think ES is probably gonna take the lows before NQ does? So we'll just have to see. That looks drastic. We're just gonna sit here. Market opens in 1 minute. So see what happens. We have this 1 hour gap here too, so it's like, what is it gonna respect? The higher time frame is bullish at the end of the day. So we're kind of just being patient. I don't want to see a closure on the 1 hour. It's done about 30 minutes under this fair value gap to go take out these London lows if we're gonna be bearish. Then Q search kind of fall in line. Yeah, ES is already going. ES can break through this 15-minute. You can also chase some lows here. I don't know if we're gonna get a retrace into a gap to go back down. If we do, I'll have to look at puts here. Any sort of gap. You see we have this trend line. Liquidity. I'm expecting this London low to get taken out here. But you never know. That's why you gotta wait. It's we have a tiny little 1 minute here. of a 2 minute. This is really so tiny. I don't necessarily. Oh, NQ is starting to drop too. That is good as well. To take this 2 minute to the downside. If we get the tap, I don't know if we're going to. We might not. We did tap the 1 minute small gap. Currently looking at 750 puts. Be better if we wait. But it looks like it's just going. Like it's literally going. Wow. Currently no entry so far. Like to see us pull back a little bit, but it doesn't look like. Yes, just took the London low, which is all the way down here on NQ. So there's a SMT here, but I still think we're pretty bearish. Maybe look for something on NQ. Back into this 1 minute. There's oh wow. See that's a makes me hesitate to take shorts. One on ES, that's just a sweep. So you might just continue to wait. Yes, did. I mean, NQ tapped the gap. There's equal highs up here. The highs, so just have to be patient because at this point, go any direction. Just have this big wick that comes up and ends up respecting the 1 hour. Yep. Wow. What a rejection, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna actually start looking at calls here. what NQ's doing. NQ did not take this low, but there's S&T at the lows, so if we start getting any sort of strength back up the upside, inverse the 15-minute, rejecting off the 4-hour. The higher time frame is bullish. That's the most important part you have to remember. It's the retap the inversion, tapped into a bullish 1 minute. Yeah, we might just start going higher. What's NQ doing? NQ is, yeah, looks good. Wow. Look at NQ back up to the upside. You don't gotta be the first one there, you just gotta be patient. I just got into 750 calls. Here's kind of right here. Right, so we're just gonna monitor this position. Really going back up to the highs. We're up 6%. Here and kind of monitor. Price. That's looking, oh my goodness. Yeah, wow. Yes, is a little behind. Would want to see, right? This is 930, 930 highs all the way up here. This wick. So I want to see us inverse the 5 minutes. There's a gap right there. Big V-shaped recovery here. I equal highs on NQ at the top. Only up about 10% on the SPY position. We're only about 30 cents. In the money at this point. Again, NQ sweeping that 930 high. ES not doing what could go back down. So I'm going to be kind of watching here. Wrong 5 minute. But we want to see big push up here. About 12% here on calls. These are looking pretty solid so far. How's NQ doing? NQ is still pushing up here. Again, disrespecting this 4 hour in about 15 minutes. New 15-minute candle opened. Still pushing up. Now there's no reason to get out. Although you might want to take some risk off the table. I'm going to put my stops at break even. 20% stop. I'm about 25%, selling it at 20% stop, meaning that if it goes back down, you get roughly around 5% profit. So let's see. At this point, we can just hold. And Q is going crazy. I would be looking to exit my ES position if we take out these highs on NQ. How far it is, right? This is 11 a.m. Again, this is like all the highs here. Oh, 27%. Yes, is about to hit my first target. Again, watching NQ. It's getting here closely. I want to be greedy. These are same day. I think I'm actually going to get out at 34% here. All right, I just exited my SPY trade. Although we can shoot higher, but again, I don't want to be greedy. There's 0 DTE. I'm sorting my challenge again. So I mean, that was a clean about $500 trade. I got out the high. I'm good with that. Do not be greedy with 0 DTE. I'll show the screenshots here, what I took on Weeble and the profit. That's probably my only trade for the day.